Alright, so what you want to first start off doing is parting out the space that you want your two lightest blonde streaks at. Like if you were to wear a middle part, you want to part that space out as big as you want, as wide as you want. You know, do what you want to do as far as the parting. And once you got that figured out and sectioned out, you know, you section it off. The product I am using is this Blonde Me. The product I am using was a gift, so it's this product that I am showing you now. I never used it before to color hair. This is my first time using it to color hair. The amount of product that I put in this BW2 bucket, you probably don't need that much, because I believe I did have some left and it was waste of product, because the developer of this product is very like creamy and rich, so it like it makes it like more than what the powder is, so it made it like double times like what I really needed to do this little quick coloring technique or whatever. So this brush that I got was also a gift as well. So you're gonna just start by applying the bleach on the streaks that you want, which is the section off part that I talked to you about in the beginning. And once you get closer to the root, as close as you want to the root, you're gonna like feather the product in with the side, like holding the brush vertical and feathering it instead of horizontally. But then after you like feather it to the like lowest point that you would want the streaks to show, you're gonna like go in and just like, you know, paint the rest of the hair. Once you're done, you know, wrap it in foil so that it can heat up more, because you want that part to be the lightest blonde that you could get. So that just makes the process go faster as we're working on the back of the hair or the rest of the hair. So what you're gonna do is honestly have a wide tooth comb. That's all you need for this. It's very lazy. But you still have to be patient while doing this. So you're just gonna dip the comb in the product and like literally start combing it through the hair. So the bleach is gonna be where you want your highlights. So you have to pay close attention to that. You don't wanna like apply all the comb all over the like top layer of the hair, as you could kind of see me doing, if you don't want that much brown. So you need to put the bleach where you would want your brown or like honey blonde highlights. So it's just your choice, and this is what I decided to do as far as like applying the bleach all over, mostly all over. And then you cannot also forget to like separate and go through the middle of the wig and the bottom of the wig, so you'll see me do that as well. So it's basically like your preference on how much blonde you want or how much brown you want to show. If you want more brown or more blonde or more like just the natural dark brown color it is, and just the little streaks, it's like all your preference. But I'm just showing you a quick way to color hair or like do little highlights or like color, you know, a curly wig. with the towel, I am doing, like, as you guys can see, this product changed the hair so quick. It literally processed the hair so quick. I did not expect that. That was like the quickest I ever seen hair processed to a light honey brown color, honey blonde color. So I had to get the towel, like a towel I use that's like for bleach or coloring, that's like not really good anymore. So I used that to kind of stop the process on some of the hair strands that were already turning. So wiping the product off kind of stops the process. Do not try to use water and wipe the product off, because that honestly makes the process keep going, like as far as water, because it's not really like stopping it. So yeah, that's what you see me doing. And then what I did was like rinse the product out. So once I rinsed all the bleach out, I went back and I did the streaks again. So I parted it out. And once I sectioned it out, I, you know, went back and applied the bleach the same way I did the first time. And yeah, so I let that sit for as long as I wanted it to, or like it processed to a color that I was pleased with. And then I washed the hair in some Shimmer Light shampoo, or let it sit, like let the Shimmer Light shampoo sit all on the wig so that it could kind of remove the brassy, like browns and blondes that was in the hair. So like basically like a little toner. So yeah, that's what I did, and then this is the final look.